Hello YouTube. Today we have another product from Harbor Freight. We got the Quantum WorkLight. It's a 215 aluminums WorkLight, pocket light, whatever you want to call it. Alright, let's go ahead and get started with the review. Alright, here's the light. This is the Quantum pocket worklight. It's a QFL-216, I guess 215 aluminums and 55.9 feet range, and 3 hour and 30-minute run time. So it says it has a 2-in-1 function, high and low, wide beam, and magnetic base. Just try me. You can push the button here. There's the light. Very bright for a small light. There's the other option, lower, then off. And there's the back. It says feature ultra high efficiency COB LED, COB LED, magnetic base for secure placement on metal surfaces, wide area beam of light, clip for pocket or vehicle sun visor, polycarbonate lens and shatter resistant, easy access, protected on and off, durable machined aluminum barrel. Batteries included, three AA's. It says 3 AA's. Thought it said 3 AA's. Anyways, I guess it's 3 AA. The batteries. We'll find out if that's true or not. Yeah, it's 3 AA's. Item number 63935. Alright, let's get to the unboxing or unpackage. Alright, here's the WorkLight. It's actually feels good. I mean, it's metal. Looks really good machine, quality machine. No sharp edges. Little oil, little excess oil, but that's about it. And you got the bottom, which is the magnet. Then you got yourself the clip. And then you got your on and off button up here. It's like a little rubber on and off button. And then you got your battery compartment down here. Oh, it comes off through the middle. There we go. Yep, 3 Thunderbolt Magnum AA. Yeah, this has some oil in it. Looks like it did. Yeah, has some oil. Anyways, oops. When you screw it up back on, I guess you have to align the plastic here. There we go. Just screw it back on. Alright, once it's in, it's in. Alright, let's give it a test with the lights off. Nice. Yeah, it's a wide beam. there it is. That's a nice wide beam there. Really good for a small light. Alright, let's see at the other. That's the other. Looks really good. Even this one, actually, it's not too bad. So, yeah, really good light. Yep, I gotta say, it's real bright for the size of it. This actually does fit on your pocket, so, well, it might not. It might just fit on your belt or something like that. It's a little too big to fit in the pocket. But yeah, it's a nice work light, and these are just under $5. So yeah, go get yours. And while you're there, you can just get the coupon for the free batteries, the free AA batteries from Harbor Freight, and you have some batteries to go with this. So all right, this is my quick review for this quantum light, work light, or belt light, whatever you want to call it. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe, and we'll see you guys on the next one.